Okay, this is the first video we're making and showing you how to fix your own light without chipping it, without sending it. And first thing we're showing you is we're showing you the tool you're gonna need to use to fix your own light. First thing you're gonna need to use is one of those Wheeler 40 watt. It goes to 900 Fahrenheit. It comes with 3 different tips. It's 110 volt. It's very simple to use, and I know some of you might already have similar tools that you can use. There is no kit you're gonna need to install or anything like that, so we're gonna show you how it goes. Soldering wire, Home Depot about $3. The Wheeler is about between $25 $26 at Home Depot or Ace Hardware or any place you can get a Wheeler. This is one of the tips on the Wheeler. We use the thin tip to open the section we're gonna need to fix at the light. It's a little bit bigger one. We use this one to solder, and the flat one we can use it to melt the pieces of plastic back. We're gonna melt it back in the light, and once you melt it back in the light, basically the light is sealed. We normally add a layer of silicone on top after we seal it. Piece of bell wire. You can get this piece of bell wire anywhere. Screwdriver so you can change the tip. Plier so you can cut the wire. Long nose plier, and because you're gonna need to bend the wire onto and flatten it out when you put it in. Picker so you can pick the wire and put it in the light, and also when you melt the plastic pieces you can pick it up with it. It's very easy, very simple. There is no tricks. You don't need to be 15 years in electronics to fix a light. Whatever happens on the light is very, very simple, as long as the light doesn't have any leaks on it, as long as the light is not flooded anywhere, and as long as the signal light actually working, then the chance of fixing the light would be like 99.9. So I say it's a very good chance that you can fix your own light. Now before you start and buy the video to fix your own light, you want to go ahead, get the Wheeler, get the soldering iron, get the wire, and find some tools. You can steal that from the wife if she have one, and you can buy those at the Home Depot. They're about $5-6. Tiny little screwdriver so you can change the tips with whichever tip you need, and then you can start working. When changing the tips back, if the tool is hot, you just pick it up with a plier, remove it, pick the next one in order, put it in, tie it down, leave it 4 or 5 minutes, make sure it's totally warmed up and totally ready to work, and then you can start fixing the light. For us, when we work in the light is normally connected to a 9-volt adapter. For you, you don't really need to. All you need to do is to be careful exactly open where we're gonna open together today, and you don't need to solder too much. It's very simple procedure, and once you do it once or twice, it would be like an easy piece of cake for you. So again, before you buy the video to go fix your own light, you want to have those tools or similar tools that you can work with. If you are not very good in soldering, you know somebody is good in soldering, you might want to have him come over, watch a video with you, work on the light while watching the video. You get a period of 72 hours for the videos. The reason is we don't want everybody to share the videos. I mean, you're fixing $700 tail light for really a fraction. Basically, you're fixing it for less than the labors that the dealer gonna charge you to change the light, and charge you $700 for the light. There is some good aftermarket light. The problem with the aftermarket is a lot of the aftermarket tail light will give you a signal on the dashboard telling you that it's not working while it's actually working. This is a passenger tail light, and we start warming up the tools for work. Make up your mind. If you want to fix the light yourself or you want to send it to us, this is up to you. We don't open any of the screws in the tail light. We're not gonna actually touch those at all. We're just gonna remove one little piece here, put it aside. We're gonna use it later, and we're gonna start opening the light in two different places. One of them is normally broken, the other one is normally good, but it's a matter of time before the other section goes bad. When you buy the video, if you decided after you buy the video that you really don't want to fix the light, you can always ship us the light, and we'll give you a credit for whatever you paid on the video. When you ship us the light, you're gonna need to ship it with a return label. You can get a UPS, FedEx, USPS return label with the same size box you send us and the same weight. Basically, we're gonna fix our light, put it back in the same box, and ship it back to you. As we said before, fixing the light is not really hard. It's a very easy process. It is a slow process. It would take anything from say 45 minutes to an hour and a half, depending on how fast you go. I personally fix about 600 tail lights, so after 600 tail light you feel like you're encouraged to go a little bit faster. This is the section we work at, so we have to make sure it's clean before we start on it.